popular as well on a nice afternoon, the anchor. And then in front of us, the Cannon Street Railway Bridge. Cannon Street station is up to the left. The original part of the station, the two brick towers. Years ago, between the towers, a lovely glass roof. During World War II, they thought it would be wise to take the roof off, just in case the building was ever bombed. So the roof was taken off and it was stored in a warehouse in Kent, about 10 miles ahead of us. Now during the war, that station was never bombed. The warehouse where the roof was got blown to pieces. Very unlucky, that's why it's got the modern section with it. And then for any children on board, for the boys and girls, 2-hour flights between the buildings. Between the buildings, a lovely old pirate ship, a working replica to Sir Francis Drake's Golden Hind. Drake was the first Englishman to sail a ship around the world. He did so on a boat